Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making roasted Brussels sprouts. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. What I did is I cut the bag open a couple nights ago, got a container, put a couple paper towels down to absorb the water. As you can see how wet that is. You don't want to thaw these out in the microwave. Trust me, they won't turn out nearly as nice. You gotta take your Brussels sprouts, you gotta cut them in half. Okay. Spray your pan. And you're going to preheat your oven to 425. Now you kind of want to lay these out so they're not touching. So try to keep them somewhat neat. You don't have to go crazy, but somewhat neat. And if you notice, I'm cutting them in half from top to bottom. Not from like side to side. Now once again, you're going to take your olive oil spray, do a quick spray. You can season these with salt and pepper, garlic and Parmesan, seasonal, lemon pepper, whatever you want. Me, I'm going with seasonal. Sprinkle it on. Now we're going to stick this in our preheated 425-degree oven for 17 to 25 minutes. In other words, till desired doneness. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Now, I did check these around the 15-minute mark to see how I liked them. Now, as you can see, they're firm but not mushy. They have a little bit of brown on them. You can do a little bit longer, get more brown on them. Do a little bit longer, get more of a firmness to them. But for me, they're just right. Not too firm, not too mushy. Just right in between. Like I said, you can use garlic powder and Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, nothing. But go ahead, give them a try. If you do try it, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.